Lemon crinkle cookies that just melts in your mouth. Hello everyone and welcome to Boobly's World Cuisine. Today I'll share with you a cookie recipe and lemon lovers will love this one. It's a soft, airy cookie which is really fun to make, especially if you include kids in the baking. The process is very quick and it gives you such nice looking lemon crinkle cookies. Now I'm gonna start with my sugar. What I like to do is infuse it with lemon zest. So I have zest from one lemon, which I'm adding with my sugar. And all you wanna do is just mix it in to ensure that all the essential oil and flavor from lemon will get infused in your sugar. Moving on, in a bowl, I'm gonna mix everything starting with some unsalted butter. Now, you want to make sure your butter is at room temperature. Using a whisk, just whisk it for a minute or so, and then you can add your sugar. Now, all the flavors from lemon will get mixed in this butter. Using a whisk, just whisk it for a minute or two until it becomes like this. Now it's time to add egg, vanilla, and some lemon juice. I'm using half a lemon juice here, which is around 15 ml, and using a whisk, I'm just mixing the batter. Now, at this point, it might seem to you that the batter is runny, but don't worry, everything will come together. We still have our dry ingredients and we haven't put them in the batter yet. Okay, now let's turn this batter into a cookie dough. But before doing that, what I like to do is add a little bit of food coloring. I have used yellow just so that the final cookies can come out really nice looking, but it's optional. Next, I want to add all my dry ingredients, and using a sieve is the best way because that ensures that there are no lumps in your dough or batter. So first some cake flour, then some baking powder, and finally some baking soda. That's all we need. Sieve it well and all the lumps will be gone, all the grains will be gone. Now that everything is in the bowl, all you want to do is mix it. Now the batter was really airy and fluffy. So when you put your dry ingredients, you want to make sure that you don't deflate it. So using a spatula is very useful, but don't over mix it. Just gently mix it and it will become a very lovely dough to work with. The best thing about this cookie is you can make the dough beforehand, keep it in your fridge, and whenever you feel like, just take it out, let it come to room temperature, and then just bake them. Now my cookie dough is ready, but there is a little bit of resting time. So I'm going to put some cling film here, wrap it up for 1 hour, and it's going to stay in my refrigerator for 1 hour. But as I said, you can leave it for longer. So you can leave it on your fridge overnight. And whenever you are ready, you can just take it out and then give it some rest and bake it. Okay, now I have prepared my baking tray with some parchment paper. And I have some white granulated sugar and some powdered sugar. So what you want to do is take equal portion for the cookies. And I like to use a tablespoon for that. Take a tablespoon of dough, roll it into a ball like this using your palm. And then first you want to dip it in granulated white sugar. This will add some sweetness to the cookie. Just roll it in nicely, and when it's coated with some granulated sugar, you want to put it in powdered sugar. You want to make sure that you coat it really well with powdered sugar because that's going to give you the crinkles on top. So it's done now for this dough. And once it's out from powdered sugar, just make sure you take off excess sugar using your hand, just like this. Okay, now they go on the tray, and once all of the balls are in the tray, you need to make sure there is enough space in between. Bake them in the preheated oven. So I have preheated my oven to 170 degree, and it takes something from 10 minutes to 12 minutes. It varies from oven to oven. Now my lemon crinkle cookies are ready. You gotta rest them for a few minutes and then you can enjoy them. They are very flavorful, really airy, soft, and it's just a wow cookie. I like to take them to friends and neighbors' houses. They love it, and it's a really nice one. Thank you, everyone, for watching, and take care and bye.